Hello everyone, so today I did a little chatty get ready with me tutorial slash whatever. I just put on makeup and talked. Basically it. I used some of the products that I got in the Sephora VIB sale. I didn't pick up too many things. Patting myself on the back for that one. So I just wanted to try out some of the things that I got, and I just wanted to show you guys how they work, and I'm actually pretty happy with the way that things turned out, sort of ish. I tried something with the eyes, and this is how it turned out. So if you guys are new, hey, my name is Liz. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, and then also ring your notification Go ahead and ring your notification bell so you guys are notified for all of my future videos. And if you guys want to grab a snack, cup of whatever you drink, and if you guys want to get ready with me, then just keep watching. Okay, so threw my hair back. I really need to get like a headband to keep my hair out of my face while I do my makeup because it just kind of goes everywhere. And so where are some good headbands that you guys like using? Comment down below. I need something cute to throw in my hair while I do makeup. So I have already prepped my skin, sort of. I did the Dr. Brandt vacuum mask thing that we got in our BoxyCharm. My face turned like super red, so I only put it on my chin and my cheeks, and where I put it on my face, like this is the area that I put it on this cheek, and that area after I washed it off was like bright red, and it looked kind of puffy. So I don't know if I'm like allergic to something in that. I'm a little afraid to try it again, and honestly I don't know how great like it made my face. Has that happened to any of you guys? I'm just going to use the Maybelline Master Prime base. This is Hydrate and Smooth. I had got it from Influencer. They had sent it to me, and I used it like once. And I don't remember if I liked it or not. It's been a while. So I wanted to try this out again. So I tried really hard not to go crazy during the Sephora VIB sale because I had just gotten so much stuff during the 21 Days of Beauty at Ulta. I picked up so much stuff from that, so I didn't want to go too crazy, and I had also got a 20% off coupon from Ulta right after that sale, and I was planning on buying a couple things from Sephora for the 15% off, but then when Ulta sent me that 20% off, I was like, well, I'd rather just use that and get even more money off. So what I had planned on buying at Sephora, I bought at Ulta, and then the things that I couldn't buy at Ulta, I still purchased from Sephora. So all these dang coupons. I have such an issue not buying things when there's a sale. It's a problem. Okay, so I'm just gonna kind of do my go-to lately has been the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte with the N07 Lift and Illuminate. I really like mixing these together. I just feel like it gives a very, you know, like nice and dewy look without being too dewy. And then my Infallible Pro Matte helps lighten this one. And then I have like the biggest sponge in the world. Like, look at this. It's like almost as big as my face. I've seen Casey Holmes use this and she really, really likes it. And I needed a new sponge, so I just decided to try it. But there's already like rips in it, which is annoying. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but I got a new one because my old one was getting rips, and now this one has some rips. Lame. So I just wanted to try this out to see if I liked it, if it, you know, cut down the time that I spent blending my makeup. Overall, not too bad. Applied pretty well. Pretty fast. So, other than it being ripped, I like it. Okay, I'm just going to take some of my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. I did pick up some new Morphe brushes. This one is new to their line. This is the Morphe M536. It's one that I guess Laura Lee asked them to make. I think that's what she said in her video. for to blend in your concealer, which I actually really like. It fits right in there and it does blend really, really nice. Alright, and then I'm just going to grab my Maybelline Fit Me and set the rest of my face with that. And I'm just going to do a really light layer. I've been trying to do like as much minimal makeup as I can. There's this one YouTuber that I watch. I'll have the video I'm talking about linked down below, but she does this video and calls it glass makeup, and she's basically just being super minimal with all of her makeup, making herself look really dewy, and she really, the amount of makeup she uses is like nothing, and I really want to try it and see if I like it. I think I'm going to jump into my ColourPop single eyeshadow palette. So first I am going to take this shade. It's called Full Zip, and it's just a good setting your eyelid kind of color. It's this one right here, and I'm just going to set my lid with it. So then I am going to go in with this shade. It's called Made to Last. It's just a really nice pinky brown sort of shade, and it's my most used in this palette, and it's just a perfect like transition shade, so I like it. That's what I'm gonna go for. What did you all get in the Sephora VIB sale? I want to know, because I'm nosy and I want to know what you guys bought. Okay, I think I'm going to take this shade. It is called Popular Demand. This one right here. And I think I'm going to take this all over the lid. Just taking that kind of like bone shade that I used before, just to kind of lighten up these edges a little bit. I'm going to take my little pencil brush, this is Morphe E18, and I'm going to go in with the first shade that I used in my transition area. I'm just going to sweep that under my eyes. I'm going to take this little smudger brush in the shade Cloud 9. I'm going to use this to just kind of smudge close to my lash line. Gonna grab some liner. This is the Lancome something Drama liquid pencil, I think. And I'm just going to use that on my tight line. Alright, I'm also going to throw this in my waterline. Hopefully it stays. I can never get eyeliner to stay. I don't know how people get eyeliner to stay in their waterline because my eyes are so dang watery. Now I'm going to take my Physicians Formula liner now that I've used like 5 different liners and I'm going to line my eyes. Alright, well that's as good as that's going to get. I think everybody has some makeup thing that doesn't always work for them or is hard for them to do, and that's eyeliner for me. I suck at it, and that's why I don't do wing liners. And my brows are another one that I really just struggle with. I can never seem to get them, exactly how I want them, and I'm growing them out because they just look weird to me right now. So I've been trying to grow them out to get a better shape, and then once that happens, I'll probably go in and have them done. What do you guys struggle with the most on putting on? Is it your brows? Is it your liner, eyeshadow? We all have it, I feel like, unless, you're just a makeup artist and you're super good at makeup. I'm clearly not a makeup artist, but I can pretend. The other thing is, I do my makeup in such a weird order. I feel like I jump around so much. do my face, and some of my eyes, then my brows, and then back to my eyes, and then back to my face. Now I'm gonna go back to the eyes. I'm going to attempt doing something. I don't know if it's gonna look good, and I might just mess everything up, but this is the Urban Decay Heavy Metals glitter liner, and this is in Midnight Cowboy. We'll see if this works. I don't know how other people do this and make it look so easy. Whatever. I'm just gonna roll with it. Okay. I always try things that I think are super cute, and then I do it and I'm like, I don't think that looks very good on me. Whatever. I'm working with it. I'm just gonna keep it like this and not care. I am going to take this Hourglass Vanish highlight stick, and this is in the shade Champagne Flash. And I'm going to take my Morphe E36. I'm just going to kind of rub that over there. And I'm going to use this to highlight my inner corners and my brow bone. Okay, now I'm going to jump back to my face, and I'm going to do a little contour. I'm going to grab this brush. Oh, there's hair on it. So much hair. I am losing so much hair. Ever since I had my baby, everything's been fine. And then for whatever reason, the last, well, I know the reason because I had a baby, but the last couple weeks, I have just been like losing hair like crazy. Any other moms go through that? Because it's driving me insane. So I'm going to take my Tarteist Pro Glow palette, and this is the Sculpt shade, and I'm taking the Morphe R14. I just got this one in the mail too. And then I'm going to take this bronzer. This is the Too Faced Sweet Hearts bronzer in Sweet Pea. And I'm just going to take this the Real Techniques. Why can't I say that? The Real Techniques brush. Bronze up my face a little bit. Okay, and then I picked up the Hourglass Ambient Metallic Strobe Lighting Palette. Super pretty, and it looks like this. And I believe it is a limited edition. So if you want it, go get it. And I'm just going to mix these first two shades. I am going to put on some falsies. No, it's crazy for me. But they just look like this. They're from the Vintage Cosmetic Company. They are in, I don't know what style. Oh, Connie says it right there. I am so smart. I am just going to pop these on, and I'm not going to do it on camera or else it'll take me years. So I'll be right back. Okay, I did my hair super fast and crazy. I threw on these lashes, and I actually really like them. Since I don't wear lashes too often, I just like things to kind of be a little bit more like soft and not so, out there and crazy. So I actually really like these ones. As I'm looking at myself, I forgot to put on my lower lash mascara, so I'm gonna do that real quick. Okay, that is much better. The last thing I have to try is the Sephora Lip Stories lipstick. This is in the shade Oui? I don't know, OUI. I'm saying it wrong. But the packaging is super cute. It's got like little dresses all over it. It's really pretty. So I am going to throw this on. And then I've just been loving to do this. I take my Bare Minerals gloss in the shade Groovy, and I just take a little dot, couple dots on my lips, and I take my finger and I just blend it in. Okay, I'm all done. Yeah, that's basically it. Thank you guys for hanging out with me today. I know it kind of turned into like a little tutorial thing, but oh well. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I will see you next time. Bye.